Does this happen to you when you eat a spicy curry?
Yes, fire brigade, my mouth is on fire, please help.
Then try a korma, it's perfect. If like me, you're a big puss. Right, for the meat I'm using this. We need about that much. There's a can for scale, skin it, half it, slice it and dice it until you got this. Then we need about a thumb of ginger. Ah! Hey, come here you little bugger. Use a spoon to rip off the skin and then finally chop it, very nice. Get some oil in a pan, in goes the ginger and the butternut squash. Get a medium onion and hop, bit more oil and saute for about 5 minutes until the onions are nice and soft. Then grab some korma paste and get it in there. Fry for another 3 minutes, make some stock. You can use it to clean out the korma jar if you like. This goes back in there, all that goes in here, and then we need about 8 big tablespoons of yogurt. Mix, let that simmer for a while until the sauce is thickened. Looking good. Serve it up with some basmati rice, and then you can get some flaked almonds and toast them. Not like that, you muppet, you've got to dry fry them until, yeah, nice. Put those on there, some fresh coriander. I couldn't find any naan bread without milk in it, so I improvised with some pita bread under the grill. It worked really well. Okay, that's it. I hope this makes you say, "Cool, my dinner is delicious."